some stripping methods. Make sure that you get the right size of hole for the right size of wire. This is a high temp wire, and this is Calco BS Brian UEI /
Rangers, go Rangers.
So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna strip this. It's real important that how we strip this, because you gotta just, you can feel it cut, and you can release it a little bit, and it comes right off. There you go. And then after we do this, make sure we have no hairs coming out. We get these are stainless steel because this is a high temp wire. Okay, the high temp wire, you gotta go right over it like this, and we don't want that much showing. See how much is showing? We want just, no, that's okay. But when I put my nut on top of this, which is gonna be one of these, you don't want it to be touching, so that might be okay. It might slide over a little bit. Then we also have the washer. It's gonna go on top of this also. See, yeah, it's barely gonna touch. So we gotta just trim just a hair, a little bit. There we go. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. Now I'm gonna crimp this one down. These crimpers aren't the best crimpers, but what I've been using that little nipple like there to crimp the top of it right there, but it doesn't come out very good, so I don't like it. So I'm gonna use the non-insulation one. I'm gonna start from the top, right there. So it crimps it down. And then I'm gonna crimp it again. Right there. There you go. And then when you test it out, make sure it's good, tight test. So it's pretty good, pretty tight. I'm happy with that. And then I just do all these the same way. This machine that we're using is high temp, like 500, 600 degrees. These are stainless steel connectors. I don't know if there's a better way of doing it with high temp wire. I just gotta make sure these are all good. Always look at the connections points too. Ooh, this one's messed up right here. See how ugly this one looks? So I gotta recut it and redo it. So quality assurance is always key. Remember, queers or dicks. There it is. Pass it to him. Good. Nice. Nice. Almost set. He's using his leg for leverage. Cool. We actually want it to fall off. So if it falls off, it means it's not a good connection. If it don't fall off, it's a great connection. So this one was a bad. So we missed the crimp on this one, so we had to redo it. It's okay. You know, we make mistakes. That's how we learn. This one too. Got 10 of these going. All right, what's going on with these is that we're gonna put these on a heater system. And we'll go look at it real quick. This is the heater here. What it does, well, actually it's the oven. So these are the elements in the oven. These get very, very hot when they get, they heat up. When they heat up, we have a device that comes in here that cooks it, and down here that cleans at the bottom. It's just a real simple thing. Notice it has a flat part. See that's how it looks like that? So I want to put that flat part like this, or I want to go like this. I'm going to go backwards because I have another one coming in here. It's going to go back to back. So you want to have a good flat position. So they're flat right there, back to back flat. What we want. Great.
He's gonna become a professional crimper.
I know.
That's the way it is here. Let me teach you that. So you think we'll at least have this one done this time?
Oh yeah.
All right, then we'll come back and we'll address hers.
Yeah.
All right.
This will be 100% right here.
All right, then I'll tell. But it's still working, right?
I disconnected it.
All right, then I'll tell Diane. We'll do this one, and I'll tell you how to go back and fix this one.
Yeah.
The elements. Yeah, and you need to find more of the end bulby things when you go to the old houses.
I'll go to the place where I found these ones,
Yeah.
so we can get some more. Because as soon as they break, that's it.
And that's when it starts to happen worse because then they hit the
Yeah,
And they're
and,
opening and
remember,
closing.
and they get shorted out.
yeah.
All right, we'll be almost done. Cleaning never ends. These are, this is knob and tube wire. This is knob and tube, a knob and tube insulator. It's made out of ceramic. This is what they used in 1920s, 1930s. And I found these at an old house. I told the ladies to reuse these because they were using something different, and we repurposed these, and it was the best things they ever did because it really kept it from shorting out. Get them all?
Yeah.
this one. There we go. That's how easy they are to break. It's all ceramic. Oh, that's all it will go. Won't go any deeper. I believe these are handmade. That's why every one is a little bit different. The holes are a little bit different, so it makes it difficult for me to put these in properly. Like I said, it's not made for this. It's made for a knob and tube wiring in a house. And when I saw these, I kind of thought, oh man, this is gonna work great. And well, it did. It worked great. Repurposing old stuff or new stuff. You know, sometimes you gotta think out of the box. I have a little lock nut I'm thinking I'm gonna use. Alright. This is gonna keep it from slipping. Like I said, everything material comes in here quite often. It keeps banging all day, so we got to try to prevent this from loosening up. I'll put one here on this side. Here you go, Brian. These are the installations I used to have. These little ceramic insulators, and these are not good anymore. I mean, they're just too short. So Brian, find me some of these lock washers. I don't know if these are stainless steel or they're regular steel or what, but see these right here?
Yeah.
I need find me a whole bunch of them. I need 12 of them.
Your truck?
No, right there. Look in there.
Oh, okay.
This is the only place I have them.
Cool.
Get me some washers too. Remember, this is a high temp wire. This high temp wire is important for us because if this oven gets to about 700 degrees, we gotta make sure to protect it. Protect our connections. Yeah, just give me some more or whatever. I need the washers also.
The right one?
Yeah. Those are good ones. Yeah, those will work too. But we use those at the end. If you don't have any more, we'll use those ones. I haven't used these types of lock washers yet, so I'm not too sure if it's going to be an issue with it or not. We'll find out after this run. I'll tighten these up later. Right now I just want to get everything started. We have another, some more of these jumpers. Nice. We have another nut.
Cool.
After this, I'll be my last one. Then I'll click off and I'll show you the final parts of it. Okay, it's how it's gonna look when I'm done. Then I'll go ahead and cross on like this. I'm okay with it. There we go. I'm gonna set this all in. I'm gonna lock this in, then I'll show you guys when we're all done.